Take one luxurious roasted leg of lamb and a perfectly spiced homemade shawarma paste, throw in some minty yogurt, garlicky aubergine and a fluffy pitta, and your taste buds are going to be very, very happy. To make the paste, grate around 2.5 centimeters of fresh root ginger into 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Add 1 crushed garlic clove, and then half a teaspoon each of ground cinnamon, ground cumin, ground turmeric, and chili powder. Mix well and rub all over the lean lamb. Next, pour 150 ml of cold water into the tin, cover loosely with foil and roast for 2.5 hours at 160 fan, 180 degrees C or gas mark 4. When the lamb has about 45 minutes to go, put the aubergines in a small non-stick baking tray and roast for 40 to 45 minutes until tender. Next, cook 250 grams of baby plum tomatoes with some sliced garlic for 4 to 5 minutes until soft. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, add the cooked aubergine chunks and cook for a couple more minutes. When it's cooked, roughly shred the meat and fill the pittas. Top with minty yogurt and spring onions.